What's going on, everybody? We got another hard reset. Today we are going to do the BLU View 4. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot, you have to do a hard reset. We'll show you how to do that. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on here, it's going to be deleted. Also, guys, if you could, subscribe, share, comment, like. We'd like all that. Appreciate it if you could. Otherwise, we'll get right into it. You got to make sure the phone's turned off, which in this case it is. Volume up, volume down, and power over here. And we want to hold the volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding volume up and then hold the power button. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. It can sometimes take a minute. Blues are a little weird. Some models are super fast. Some take a minute to even turn on. So there we go. So we get to this no command screen. To get out of this into the actual menu option to reset the phone, you have to hit power and volume up at the same time, basically, but I hold power and then tap volume up is usually what works best for me. And then we'll use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, and we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, and then we'll confirm again. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. So we'll hit reboot system now. We'll just hit power. And now the phone will restart and load you to the welcome screen. From there you can navigate the phone and set it up how you wish. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could appreciate it if you follow us, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and keep an eye out for a ton more hard resets and teardowns that we got coming up. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.